Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for not posting for a while. I say a lot been going on. I just started a slime shop. A lot going on. Let me show you something though. Y'all should remember from the last video, but vlogging camera videos on that will be coming shortly. But I made my first clear slime. Got tons of stuff from Christmas, slime, tons of clothes. It was a good Christmas. Make sure you go check out that video. Thanks for all the support. Let's please try to get 5 likes. No, 3 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe. Oh my God, I should take one of these off. Good labels, they don't come off. Hopefully you guys can see, but can you see from the bottom? Oh, I gotta show someone else up. Guys, I'm just so excited. Like, who? Boo? So guys, like this is, ooh. Let's just take it out. Oh, sorry. Honey, who? Like help. Oh my gosh. My first. Sorry, don't screenshot that. Oh my gosh, I can see my. Oh my. Oops. Wait, let's do it. I can literally see through your piece of cake. Oh my. Oh. Y'all shook. Y'all seen clear slime and stuff. But it's. Okay. There's the clear slime. It all just disappeared from my eyes. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting so long. Clear up. Oh my. I'm about to make a big batch of that right now. Sorry for not posting, guys, but I'm about to make, after my mom is curling my hair, I'm gonna make a video on how to make clear slime. Oh my gosh, this is such a nice slime, period. And also for the vlogging camera, guys, I got a microphone and a tripod. So, expecting videos from that soon. And slime videos, like of my slime shop, once it gets glowing, once my YouTube channel gets flowing, you know. Let's try to get 3 likes, please. Soon I'll the intro, outro. Guys, maybe 2019 is the year. And Happy New Year, guys. Sorry for late, but Happy New Year's. 2018 is gone. Comment challenge. New thing I started. I wanted to comment, what's your New Year's resolution? I want you to comment that and make sure we get 3 likes and like button challenge. I know, just a mere people. Sorry. Like button challenge. You have to poke one of your slimes. If you don't have a slime, poke your nose. Press the like button. You know, I'm trying to twist up the video so it won't just be like me talking and stuff. So that's all. Let's wait for that to clear up again. And each time I clear up, I might do a clear update or something like that. so nice. If I don't do a video today, guys, do it eventually. I'm just sorry. Guys, thank you so much for your support recently. No, don't do comment challenge. Comment challenge is going to be like emoji game. So when your alert comes like emoji game, I'm going to do emoji. You guys try to match it. And whoever gets it right will get a pin and a heart. Well, I'm going to give everyone a heart to the comments. First few people, I'm just going to pin their comment and reply to that comment. So make sure emoji game. Can't do it, but hopefully you know what I'm saying. Guys, see you later. Bye. Over and out. Peace.